So, looking at what is reinforcing behavior, because we know reinforcement drives behavior, it's important to understand what the individual determines as reinforcing. There's four primary reinforcers: food, water, sleep, and relief from heat. And the ones that we're using with Bailey and Ollie happen to be food. We could see them staying actively engaged, completing their behaviors, offering those behaviors. With that increase in food, they're staying stationary and wanting to really be involved to get that food. With Bailey, there were some options of using toys, but food was the larger reinforcer that kept that motivation and enthusiasm up. There are secondary reinforcers we could use, such as affection, that we can pair with food first, and that's something we look at with Ollie and Audrey in the following clip.
Play reinforcing. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Can anyone think you can stop videoing?
So, as Audrey's trying to use affection as a reinforcer, we could see Bailey, we could see Ollie really being like, okay, but he leaves that sit. And even though he's kind of looking at her, she asked for a sit, and he didn't. He just stayed standing. And at this point, he's kind of just trying to walk away and be like, I'm done with this. So, affection wasn't reinforcing. I also wanted to mark and state that his body language is also not as loose or comfortable as it was with food. There's a yawn right there, which can indicate some stress or some anxiety from being pet. And again, he's offering those avoidance behaviors of kind of turning away and wanting to leave. As Audrey is trying to pet, we can see his head, and then his mouth then relaxes again once she stops.